G'day.
This is day 1 of vlogging. We haven't named the channel yet, but we are building a RÅSKOG, which is an IKEA cut for our art room, which is just behind us.
Yes, and before that, what's your name? Who are you?
I'm Stitch 1.
You're Stitch 1? Okay, this is Stitch 1. This is Stitch 2. And let's dive in.
We ultimately chose this creamy coloured yellow. It's actually kind of metallic on the side. Should I mimic you?
Yeah, you can mimic you. Yes, mine's wrong.
Here we go, we answered our question.
Okay, that's number 1.
So, this is what we're doing right now. Instruction says we're looking for some screws.
Yeah, what's the phones there? 8 little boys. Is there another screw kit?
Oh, oopsie. I'll grab you a little box and put them in, Bubby. Once again, I'm gonna put you back up here while I look for a little container box thing. Do this really cool thing, which is like a squat, right? And every time I try to do that, I fall. I can't get my
squat.
Like I have to do a little weird hover thing, but my feet don't touch the bed. So I'm gonna just sit my down while he does this amazing squat. How satisfying is that little thing? So I've got some water screw on this other side. So step 3 looks like this.
This one.
Looks like we are putting the trays on. So I will need to undo the trays and find these screw bits.
Good.
So what we're doing is we're tightening those screws that we didn't tighten earlier. We're just getting an estimate.
Can't really see what I'm doing, so I'm just guessing.
Do you need to do one more?
That should be fine. Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Hold the camera. That's more than enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very sturdy, hey?
Yeah.
Wheel time! Yippee! Oh, it's so cute. You should tuck Coat perfectly underneath her because we wanted this last time.
Yeah. Ready?
Wait, let me turn it around.
Ooh.
That's such a nice tug.
The only thing you want to be careful is you don't want to ram it because you'll scratch the paint
Of my paint card.
of your cart. Yeah, so you want to tuck it and then just like go near. Unless you want to add some foam padding
To my card?
to your cart. Yeah, or to the, actually just add it to the table.
I'll start loading up. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna grab my supplies and then I'll be back. Yippee! I'm back with all the stuff we want to learn, so we're going to jiggle things around a bit until we figure out where everything goes. These are safety irons for crochet. It's got two different sizes. We've got the 10mm and the 12mm. They're cut for top. So I've got some Chanel yarn for making, I don't know, fluffy things.
Oh,
And then on this side. Oh, they fit! Honey, look how nicely they fit!
that's kind of perfect.
I know, right?
That's the stuff I bought that I was meant to buy.
Here's the a pencil case that has a lot of acrylic paints in there for like I like to paint my clay figurines with these. So they're not glazed yet, so they're not very shiny. But look at these little puppies. See? So you paint lots of little things in this little household, so that's what the acrylic paint's for. So those little guys can live all up in the top section. This is packaging things for like orders come through. By the way, this brand is really amazing, Photocraft. Really nice soft acrylic yarn. And then some more coloured yarns. So this is the back of it, looks a bit more colourful. There's keychains and this freaking amazing glue. If you guys need glue that'll hold like felt, yarn, gemstones, anything, this glue is the one to go. Make sure you get the toxic one though. The non-toxic one is really bad. Like as in like bad for sticking. Good for health but bad for sticking. So this is a little medium Pokemon in the chibi style. He doesn't have any felt details, but lots of yarn colors. And here's a little Snorlax that doesn't have a face yet. So top layers is the essentials. So you've got your paints, your eyes, your felts, your glues, keychains, my crochet hook and scissors and all that will come in as well. Second layer is different colours of yarn, so I got red, orange, yellow, greens, blues, purples, pinks, white and blacks, some more yarn and stuffing at the bottom. This will probably get reviewed, so stay tuned to see the final organised trolley. Shall we do a little goodbye, puppy?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Peace.